Hi there, Babatunde Motawa here. So I got the brand new Oraimo BoomPop headphones. These wireless headphones were created in collaboration with the BoomPop creator and are popularly known for music downloads and audio streaming services. This Oraimo BoomPop overhead wireless Bluetooth headphone costs just 10,900 naira, which is equivalent to $23 US. This video is going to be about the unboxing and a gift at the end of this video if you watch full. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Now, I don't know who named these headphones Oraimo BoomPop Con. Did I just say popcorn? Never mind, it comes in black color only. These look pretty neat, well packed in a big black box. So I'm going to take this headphone out for the first time. Just slide it out this way. Before I get to the headphone, let's see what we have here. We are greeted by the Boom gift card of 3,000 points, including the pin at the back of the card. Next comes the manual. Next comes a cable. This is not USB Type-C cord, of course. It is the old USB cord we all know about. But the old micro USB cable, we still do another cable, which is the 3.5mm AUX cable. Now let's get to the headphones. This comes in a very shiny black finishing. It's made of plastic all around, and the mesh looks very soft to hand. Alright, so at the top of the Oraimo BoomPop headphones, you get to see the Oraimo X Boomplay logos, and to the bottom, nothing. But on the right hair cup of the Oraimo BoomPop headphone, you can find all the ports there, which includes the memory card slot, followed by the power button, which works for the play, call and pause functions, the volume key, which is the plus and minus, the mode switch, the AUX port, the lead indicator, and the micro O, and finally the micro USB charging port. These headphones are powered by a 350 mAh battery and Bluetooth version 5.0. Please check the description below for the full spec of these Oraimo BoomPop headphones. Let's connect this. How to connect the Oraimo BoomPop headphone? Press hold the power button for 3 seconds, switch on your phone Bluetooth, and in an instant you get connected. Thanks to the Bluetooth 5.0 version for this fast lightning connection, just in an instant it is connected. Putting it on my small kokolo head for the first time, it feels secure and a little tight, which is okay. It is expandable by stretching the plastic, so it won't fall off easily while walking or jogging or relaxing. The Oraimo BoomPop headphones cups are very comfortable to touch and my ears. While playing these headphones, the lid by the side begins to display eye-catching colors simultaneously. Let me try it on by syncing it up with the BoomPop Play, which I downloaded from the Google Play app, starting with Crayon feature Rema, Adekunle Gold, Bella Shmurda and the rest.
20 minutes later.
Wow, I love how soft these ear cups are. They are really comfy. I can hear every word and beat of the music. In fact, it is just cool and calm that I don't know, this is just one of the best things I've put in my ear so far. It comes in an Afrobeat style sort of tuning, you know.
Hello, ma.
Yes, you can even receive calls with these headphones.
Actually, mo bóyá ń pe number ìyàwó mi sí o kíbalẹ̀. Ó ti kúrò nílé ṣá. Ó ti kúrò.
So this is the new Oraimo BoomPop headphones, and I'm going to give it a trial this coming week, so don't miss it for anything. Subscribe to the channel so that I can get the full review once it is up and running, and also have the chance to win a smartwatch. And concerning the gift I made mention in the beginning of the video, the first person to comment voucher will get it from me. Please kindly drop your Twitter handle or your social media handle, and I will send it over to you in a DM. And if you have any question that relates to these Oraimo BoomPop headphones, please comment in the comment section below and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. I remain Babatunde Motawa. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.